Software engineering is not only about writing codes, it's about solving global problems, building smart systems, and shaping the way humans interact with technology. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the future of software engineers, the skills you will need, how jobs will evolve, and also how this job will be more important even in the next 10 years. And I'll break it down in simple languages with clear example that you can relate to. So even though you are new, you grab everything. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tech with Ben, and in this channel we share beginner friendly tech activities, tech topics, and also tech matters. So if you are someone who loves tech, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, and also please like this video. So let's get straight into the video. Now let's go to the first segment of this video, which is AI driven coding and automation. Now, where are we now? Software engineers, they write code by hand, but AI tools like ChatGPT and even Replace Ghostwriter are already generating full functions. Now, the future. Now, engineers won't stop coding, but instead of typing every line, they will guide AI systems. Example, instead of writing a login page, an engineer might just say, create a login with two-factor authentication, and AI builds it instantly. And now to the fear versus reality. Now, many people ask, will AI replace engineers? But the answer is AI will take over repetitive coding tasks, but it can never take over creativity and problem solving behind engineers. Now, just like calculator didn't replace mathematicians, AI won't replace engineers. Rather, they will empower them. Now, software engineering will feel more like designing solutions and teaching AI what to build than writing every single line of code. Now, imagine in 2030 when you employ a software engineer and instead of writing code, their job is to direct an AI coding assistant. Now to the segment 2, which is remote and global collaboration. After the 2020 pandemic, remote work became norm in tech. Yeah, I think so. Now instead of Zoom calls, imagine engineer wearing AR glasses and sitting around a virtual whiteboard, even if they are living in different continent or different country. Now GitLab has over 1,000 employees working fully remote across 60 plus different countries. And now why does this matter? Now companies can hire the best talent from anywhere, and also engineers can get job even if the job is in Asia and they're in Africa, they can get the job. And now just imagine you wake up in Nigeria, you log into a VR workspace, and your teammates are in Canada, India. Isn't it amazing? And now to the third one is ethical software engineering. Now, now the problem today is that AI models also have biases, and also apps tracks every move. So now to the future of software engineer, tomorrow's software engineer, they will not just build apps, but rather they will also build up with ethical decisions. They will ask, is this fair? Is this private? And now to the future trends, government will regulate software very strictly, and also companies will require ethics engineer alongside coders. Now think about this, if you write an AI that decide who to give a loan, now you're not just coding, you are controlling people's future, and that is a very very huge responsibility. And now to the segment for which is software and hardware merging. Now in the old days, software was separate, apps for computers, programs for phones, and today's shift, car runs on software, plane, watches, refrigerator, all powered by codes. And also Tesla cars update software just like iPhone. And now to the future, engineers must understand both software and hardware. Now IoT, wearable devices, robotics, smart homes all need seamless code plus hardware integration. And now imagine an app that not only track your health but communicate directly with your smartwatch, your refrigerator to recommend meals, and also your doctor. And now in the future, software won't just run on devices, but they will run through devices, connecting everything into one giant system. And now to the new skill future engineers need. Number one, technical skill. Example, AI and machine learning, DevOps. We also have cloud computing, and we also have cyber security. And the second skill is soft skills. For example, creativity, problem solving, and also communication. And now to the career advice for beginners. Now, don't just memorize languages. Focus on concepts like algorithm, data structures, and system designs. And also learn tools and also build real world projects. And now in 2025 and beyond, a software engineer isn't the one who knows 20 languages. It is the one who think, solve, and also collaborates. And now to the segment 6, which is what the software industry will look like. Now the first one is global demand. Yes, millions of jobs opening every year. And also the second one is AI copilots working side by side with human. Hmm. And also engineers designing smart city, healthcare apps, and even space tech. And also titles will evolve like AI engineer, ethic engineer, and also full stack innovator. And now the future of engineer equals to AI driven, global, ethical, hardware integrated, and also skill diverse. And now if you are learning software engineer today, you are not just learning to code, you are learning to shape the future. And now my advice is don't just be a coder, be a creator, because the next generation of engineers won't just build apps, they will build the world we live in. So guys, if you found value in this video or if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me your comments, subscribe to this channel to receive more beginner friendly videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.